Hey guys, what's going on? This is Scott from Landscaping by Acme. Do you guys have those hard to reach weed whipping areas like this? Just wait, I'm going to show you the tool to ease your life. The best, it's the ultimate tool. Hang on. So you're wondering what the tool is, the ultimate tool of all. I have it right behind me here. As you can see, there's the weed whip head. Coming in at a whopping 6.5 feet long, we have the new Echo. As you can see, the Echo eForce 2600 DPAS. Okay, the DPAS is a PAS system that you can add extensions on. So we have the 3-foot extension on that DPAS-2600. So now, over at 6.5 feet long, we are now going to be able to get those hard to reach areas right behind me. So I'm going to show you right now how to use it and how to be able to get those hard to reach areas. So what we're going to do is, the DPS is awesome, this eForce. Okay, you got to make sure you turn it on, make sure you're wearing your safety gears. So now I'm going to use the DPS with the 3-foot extension. This is now over 6.5 feet long to get those hard to reach areas. Look how easy it is to get underneath that tree. So as you can see, using the 3-foot extension, you can get under them trees like nothing. So as you guys can see in the last little bit, using that, I can get all the way under there. If you can see, I can get all the way up in there. Not a problem. I'm not getting poked by any of these pine cones, and it just makes it so much easier. I mean, we have a lot of these type of trees that it's hard to reach areas. 6.5 extension all adds up a lot. So the DPS 2600 ultimate tool is with a 3-foot extension on it. So you got those hard to reach areas, guys. Think about a PAS system with a 3-foot extension. It gets those areas. So thanks again, guys, for watching. Keep following me. I got a lot more tips coming up, a lot more stuff coming up. Follow me here on my page right here. Also, follow me over on echomeansbusiness.com. Also, follow me on Landscaping to the Point. It's a new podcast where we're going to talk to a bunch of business owners, and we're talking about anything. All right, later, guys. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit like. Talk to you guys later.